The reason I'm making this video is because a lot of people, I posted a video recently and a lot of people sent me a message trying to find out the product or the shampoo I use. It's a Chinese brand, Paris style. That's what is written on it, Paris style. And I love this particular product so much that I have to send a message. So anytime I like a product, I take the contact of the vendor or the seller so I can be able to go back or just send a message for her to send me more. So that is why I'm showing you the product I use. And even the washing of the hair, the video wasn't clear enough, but I just showing it to you for you to know what. Alright, so those of you that saw my recent post I made on social media, I am here to show you the hair I did previously. So you could okay, I am going to add a link to this video for you to see the braid, this particular braid that I made recently. So it was, I think, 2 weeks ago or 14 days ago, no, maybe more, like, but it's not up to 1 month yet. It's just between 2 weeks. So you know, for me, for the hair, the braids to relax, sometimes I wash it too, just to get my braids relaxed. I also wash because I want hold on, I want the hair to be clean and everything. So that is what I am doing. So as you can see, I'm going to add a link for you guys to see. So if you haven't seen, all right, hey everyone, welcome back to the washing day. Today we are washing, and I'm going to show you how I wash my braids while also taking care of my skin. Do you wash your hair onto your skin, then when you finish you do skincare, or you just go you just lower all the hair backwards into a base or a sink and wash it all backwards? So here, sometimes when I'm about to wash my hair whilst taking my bath, I make sure I do this, and after that I do some skincare before finishing. So I wash the braids while also taking care of my skin as well. So let's jump right into it. So scene one, the washing the braid. As I begin washing my braids, I want to make sure that I gently massage the shampoo into my scalp. This helps to remove any buildups and keeps my hair healthy. But I'm also mindful that shampoo can sometimes run down onto my face. So as you can see, I'm massaging the shampoo down into my scalp before I go ahead and actually apply water and pour water onto my hair. So that is what you are seeing me doing right now. Okay. And also, I was saying, because the shampoo has touched my face, I always follow up with a little bit of makeup thing going. Oh, what did I say? Makeup, sorry. Facial cleansing or facial washing. I make sure I do that before. Alright, so as I was talking about the facial washing, this is the product you've seen. Let me scroll back for you to see the product again. I'm going to take a picture of it, or maybe if you want to see it clearly, you can leave a message for me and I'll show it to you. So because the shampoo has touched my face, I always follow up with extra care after washing my hair. So I make sure to cleanse my face thoroughly. This helps to remove any shampoo residual or any shampoo chemicals on that may irritate my skin. So I prefer to use a gentle facial cleanser to avoid stripping my skin of its natural oil. Do not use harsh products. Use products that contain a milky softness, because we have soft babes over here. So you know, when I finish washing the hair, I'll be going out to see one or two friends to make sure everything, and get my camera that I use. Over here I'm using my phone to record because it's in the washroom. I don't want to take my camera to the washroom, though I'm planning to go out and change it. So once my face is cleansed, I apply um yeah, hold on, I don't know where I'm doing a voiceover for this video, so let's see how it goes. Where did I go to over here? Come here, girl. Where are you? Where is this girl? She's back. Okay, so we are done doing that, and my face is clean. I make sure I apply. After cleaning your face and taking your bath, make sure you apply your skincare moisturizer product to nourish your skin. And it's important to keep your skin um it's important to keep your skin hydrated, especially after washing your hair and your face. So I usually start with a toner to balance my skin, you know. So over here, it's time to dry the hair using a hair dryer. So as you can see, Madam is getting the hair dryer ready, getting all the moisturizer for the hair. As you are applying moisturizer, skin moisturizer, make sure you apply skin hair care moisturizer, and this one is oil coconut moisturizer. So I'm applying it into the hair to make sure it keeps the hair shiny as well. As the hair is receiving product, we make sure the skin is also receiving product, so everything will balance, you understand. So after I apply it, the next thing I'm going to do is to dry the braids. Dry what? The braids. Next, I gently use the micro. Over here, I didn't show the towel, but I use microfiber towel. I make sure not to rub too harshly to make it to keep the hair neat. If not, the hair will be rough, as this can cause a frizz or damage to the braid pattern. Instead, I roughly squeeze out excess moisturizer. So guys, as you can see, I didn't show the level at which I adjusted the dryer, but make sure everything is moderate, 60%, not 100%. If you have used this kind of standing dryer before, you know how it's up to 100, and you have to reduce it to, because the hair extension is fiber, I make sure I reduce it to 60 Fahrenheit and whatever that may be. So make sure to do all these things. If you do not dry the hair will smell. Please dry the hair to avoid it or to prevent it from smelling. Am I shouting too much? Yeah, so I dry the hair to make sure I prevent it from smelling. So yeah, make sure you do that, and keep your hair always dry. So I'm going to stay in for maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes in the dry, because I already dried with the towel before moving here. So I make sure I do what? Dry it for a while to make sure everything is working, because you don't want your hair smelling. Okay, so those who didn't see the moisturizer I use, you can use any moisturizer for it, because anything that will keep the hair shining and making it smell good, apply it into your hair and let the hair get some hair food and stuff over there. So yeah, so if you have any questions, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Mwah. Goodbye, my dear. Have a nice day. And don't forget to like the video for me to be able to do more. Thank you so much.